How to withdraw assets from Binance to another exchange. To withdraw from Binance to another exchange, you can come to this exchange that you are using and come to the deposit tab. Now I'm using Kraken. The menu system will be different depending on what app you use, but any exchange will have a deposit feature. Click on deposit and then it will give you the address. Click on yes, acknowledge and then generate new address. You can simply come through, select and then copy this. Go back to your Binance withdrawal page and paste this address into the recipient's address field. Choose the transfer network that you are going to make the transfer on. If you use the incorrect network, then the coin will be lost. If you come back to the exchange or the wallet that you are using, there is always an option to generate a QR code. If you have the Binance smartphone app, it is easy to scan this. You can come over to wallet, then click on withdraw, then you can scroll around and see coins that you own or search for them for a keyword. Click on needed coin, then you come through to the coin withdrawal screen. Paste the address in the box or press this icon right here. That will go ahead, scan the QR code that is generated by the other wallet and input all of the information for you.